All right, guys, so today we have the Rivian R1T. This thing is pretty cool. It actually comes with a small storage compartment right here, which we'll check this out. Are you sleeping in the truck?
It's comfortable.
Okay, anyways, so today at Supreme Wraps.
What's up?
So today at Supreme Wraps.
Wow, look at your little muscle there.
Yeah, it's getting bigger.
Do you want to take us around the shop?
Yes, sure. I'll go like this. Just walk around like this all day. Are you intimidated yet?
You're gonna break your shirt, bro.
Huh? I don't want to break my shirt. It's too expensive. This is a Lamborghini. It's in euros. Paint protection, which you better sell. Anyway, enough of this year. You got a McLaren 720S. Dude, this thing is so sick. We did a stage 2 tune, one-off ripped rims, 1016 carbon fiber. This wrap gave it like another 800 horsepower. So, it's just amazing. We're gonna wrap this. This is gonna be a two-tone wrap. I don't know why. I don't know who advised this person to do a two-tone wrap, but they did, and they bought it. So, hallelujah, hallelujah. That's a Ford Raptor. That's all I want to say about that. Okay. There are two things in this shop that make me want to quit. He's one of them. And this is one of them as well. It took me a long time to establish wealth. Long time. And then Bitcoin came around, make me look like an idiot. In the back of my shop, we have PPF, Ed, we got Matt. Come say hi to Matt. Let's go say hi to Matt. Matt's from my Orlando location.
What's going on?
Matt's living the dream.
We're out here, you know, in Dallas. PPF and cars and stuff.
That's right.
Got some pretty cool cars in the shop.
What are you working on right now?
We're working on a clear bra on Model 3. So, just got the bumper and the hood finished up and then should be done.
Matt, what's your favorite color?
I'd have to say blue.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it because he's
BMW
wearing
blue?
it?
It is blue.
It is blue.
Yeah. You know who wrapped it?
Who wrapped it?
Spring Wraps.
We did?
Yeah.
Interesting. I just want to be famous and like do YouTube like push-up videos, muscles. That's it. That's it. No more work.
Okay, talk to us about this car.
This is a Rivian. This is the first actually Rivian to be delivered in Texas. It's pretty cool though. We gotta do some PPF to it.
PPF. And look at this lineup.
It's pretty sick actually.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
We're a busy shop. The busiest in the country actually.
Ooh, that's a bold statement.
That is a bold statement, and I'll stand by it. No one can compete with this. That's all I gotta say. Yo, Keish, you see how bad this paint job is? Looks like an orange peel. It's an orange peel. I punched somebody in the face.
Can you? Oh my gosh, you scared me.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thank you for watching our channel.
But like not so mad. Like smile.
I don't like smiling.
You gotta do it. Okay, less.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next week, so
Thank you. Thank you. So painful to say thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for calling.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you for watching.
So this is our top number. Lewis is our sales manager. My name is Keishan. I'm the operations manager. But if you want, if you find
Subscribe. What do you two people do?
Subscribe. Just always remember to get what you.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope that you had fun, just like we have fun here every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch, and keep following us every day, every week. I don't know what else to say. Have a blessed one.
That was perfect.